found the best way to keep my children from disrupting what I was doing was to give them something to help.
Yes, actually.
Yeah.
The help might be going in a different direction, but
Yeah. At least it's not disrupting.
with her,
it's occupying.
going in a different direction.
Yeah.
So if I'm putting them together, she putting them apart.
At home, she is usually ready for that.
I'm gonna sleep.
Risha, Risha.
Okay. I'm going to sleep with something else. Okay?
A little worried she's gonna fall as it's poking on me, like, hurt herself with it. Sleep. Sweet. Sweet.